Hello everyone, it's Mubeen Tariq and welcome back to another Adobe Illustrator tutorial. So today we are going to learn about the Mesh tool in Adobe Illustrator. And I will make two videos on Mesh tool. This is the first part of this video. In this video we will learn about that how the Mesh tool works. And in our next video we will design or make a vector art portrait by using the Mesh tool. So let's start our video. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit that post notification button that you never miss any updates from my channel. First of all, open Illustrator and create an artboard here as I have created here. So before using the Mesh tool, create a square here or any shape, something like this. Select the shape and here this is our Mesh tool. The shortcut is U. When you press U on your keyboard, it will select the Mesh tool. And the Mesh tool's cursor will something like this. A plus sign and a grid with that. Select the shape, select the Mesh tool. Wherever you click, it will create something like this, a point where you have clicked and a vertical line and a horizontal line and vertical line. And let's see what it do. Select this point by using the direct selection tool. So let's say I open the colors here you can see the colors. So by using the direct selection tool, select this point, but before that I fill color in this one. Let's say I fill the blue color, something like this, or this one. Then by using the direct selection tool, I select that point and I click here. So here you can see this, that what it do, it fill the color from that only on that specific point. You can say this as gradients because it works the same as the gradients do. But by using the gradients, you cannot add the colors on any point. By using the Mesh tool, you can add colors to any point of the shape. So let's say I undo this and I again select our Mesh tool and I add a point, one point here, second point here. And keep in mind that when you click on the same line, then it will only create a vertical line. When you click on the vertical line, it will only create a horizontal line, something like this. By using the first of all I select the whole shape and I fill this color in this one or the yellow. Yes. Then I select this one. By using the direct selection tool, only select this point and I'll fill this color. Thing like this, and I add a point, something here. So here you can see this, that how amazingly and easily we have created this type of effects by using the Mesh tool. Let's say I delete this one, I draw a star here. I put it right over here and I fill this one, this color here in this, or the lighter one. Yes, this one is good. And by using the Mesh tool, I add one point right over here, one here, 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 and one point here. Now here you can see that it has created many mesh points here. By using the direct selection tool, I select the first one and I fill this color here. So you can design many of the things by using this one. Let's say I draw silver effect right over here. I select this one, put it right over here. I select this color or the lighter one, yes, this one, and I add a mesh point right over here. Second one on this, third one on this, fourth one on this, and yes, this is here. I select the first one by using the direct selection tool, this one, and I fill this color here, or the whiter one, like this. Then select the mesh tool and add a point here. Now select this one, and you can design many things like this, something like this. So now you have learned that how amazingly and easily you can fill many colors on many points by using the mesh tool. Let's say I have created this type of design here, and I select this one by using the mesh tool. I add a point here, but before that I fill color in this. By pressing the D, you can fill default colors, which is black and white. Like this. Now I select the whole shape and I fill the colors in this. Let's say drag it and drop it on our this artboard here, so that I can tell you, like this. I fill the lighter shade of the red, like this, and now I select this point and I fill this color, again this one, fill this color, and I continuously select all the points one by one. Or here you can also add this color, oh yeah, this one is good, you can add this. So by using this, you can design this type of designs here. Let's say it's like this one, and I meshes here, like this. I select this one, I add brown color, now I select each and every mesh point one by one, and I add this type of effect in this. Or you can also add a leaf here if you want to add. I fill this green color here, or this one. Yeah, this one, and I meshes here. Now by selecting each and every mesh point, I add different colors. I think I have added this in very little size, so I have to increase their size. And by using this mesh tool, you can design many other things, and you can add different types of colors or color tones or gradients in many other things. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, then tell me in the comment section of this video, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit that post notification button that you never miss any updates from my channel. Goodbye.